Okay, let's start our interesting mutton recipe. For this recipe, I have taken one medium sized onion, green chilies, curry leaves, and 250 grams of mutton, which I have already boiled in a pressure cooker for 4 to 5 whistles, and also I have added salt and turmeric powder to that. Let's move to the next step. In a non-stick pan, add coriander seeds. We have to dry roast them. Don't burn them. To this, add half inch of cinnamon stick, fennel seeds or somf. Add it as per your taste. Don't add too much. And also add our star ingredient, which are pepper kernels. So add them as per your taste. If you like spiciness, add more peppers. And add 2 to 3 cloves. Don't add much. And let all these ingredients dry roast for 1 to 2 minutes. And we have to make it into a fine powder. So take it into a mixie bowl and let it cool, and after that grind it into a fine powder as shown in the video. See how I have grinded it to a fine mixture. Now let's move to the next process. In a non-stick pan, add oil, which is required for frying the onions and the mutton. To this, add 1 tablespoon of ghee. If you are a ghee lover, you can add 1 more tablespoon also, so there is no restriction for that. Add cumin seeds. Add jeera seeds and let them fry for 1 to 2 minutes until we get rid of that raw smell. Once you hear the splattering sounds of the cumin seeds, we need to add chilies to this particular mixture. So I have added the chilies to that and fry chilies for 1 minute. And after that, to this mixture we need to add curry leaves and the onion. I have already added the curry leaves and the onions to this mixture, and then see, we have to we should not deep fry the onions. It should be turned into a golden brown color at the edges, so it means the onions are cooked well. So let's add the mutton which we have already boiled to this and mix it well so that the oil and the ghee should be applied to all the mutton pieces. Add salt. Don't add too much because we have already added the salt in the mutton while we are boiling the mutton in a pressure cooker. Once we mixed it, add the grinded powder. I suggest you to add like 2 to 3 tablespoons of powder which we have grinded, because we are not going to add any chili powder to this mixture. To get that spiciness to the mutton and that pepper taste, actually we can add 2 or 3 tablespoons to this mixture and mix it well. After mixing it well, I have added the Kashmiri red chili powder. In the restaurants, usually they add orange or red color to the food, which I totally avoid. To get that red color to our fry, actually I have added this Kashmiri red chili, which will not give you the spiciness but the color which you want for the fry. So that's how we are avoiding the artificial colors. You can see like how our curry fry is turning into a red color with the natural ingredients instead of adding artificial colors. Mix it well. To this mixture, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of ghee and on a medium flame, fry it for 1 to 2 minutes. Mix it well and fry for 1 to 2 minutes. That's it, our mutton fry is ready to be served. See how beautiful our mutton is cooked, and it's in red color too, and the onions are cooked very well. Isn't it beautiful? Like without adding the artificial colors, we got that red nice color to the fry, Wow, it's amazing.